Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale.
Scanning the ocean for us with big binoculars. That's how we find the animals, because they are protected. So we are not allowed to use drones, sonars, nothing. Only our eyes on board and the eyes of the spotter on land. Anytime that they see something or they have any information, they will communicate to Pedro through the phone. So if you see Pedro on the phone, completely.
Another one back there.
Yeah, I see.
We got some dolphins here, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, they're coming up a little closer here to us here. There's one right there, yeah.
So close.
All right, jump on the boat. Come
Those
on.
are small ones.
So yeah, we'll just do like this. As they are on the right side, we'll ask people from the left side to have a seat. People from
Looking
the
at
left
us here.
Yeah.
right here next to us, they're checking you out. Say hi.
There's a guy in the water. No, thank you. Oh, yeah. Oh. Coming on your side over there. Yeah, they went to the other side of the boat. This one in the front there. Yep. I'm caught here. There we go. Alright. Take a tour of the rest of our group here. I'm here too, on the boat.
Wicked cool.
Looking for the dolphins or whatever here. He's right under the bow there. A couple of them, I think. Oh, there's another one over there. Oh, there he is. Yeah. Yeah, he's going underneath. Coming out this side, maybe. I hope. We're looking. There he goes. Out in front of the boat. The water's pretty clear. You can see a couple feet under there.
Just take one, just take one dolphin. It can be a male or a female, and they will like abuse, for a while with the same dolphin, and then they will release it, and they will go away, and they will take another one.
This is Am1 Man Travel, and we're still on the Zodiac here, looking for whatever we can see. We saw a bunch of dolphins. None of them did any tricks or anything, so they didn't fly out of the water, but they came in close to the boat, which is pretty good. And a whale would be nice, or flying fish maybe, anything at all. We found a bucket, and the bucket had a fish and a crab in it, and we found an old broom handle. So we're doing good here for the flotsam and jetsam and the animals there too. All right, Am1 Man, don't forget, subscribe. Always need subscribers. Okay, it's not too bad. Temperature's not too bad while we're standing still. When we're moving, it gets a little wind chill there, but okay, bye-bye. There's some cable cars right up there. They're crisscrossing. And we got another elevator jobby. It goes all the way up to the top here and then down. Yeah, look at that, down to these houses down at the bottom. And we got that cable cars up there. Yeah, that's really something.
People would prefer to come here have more
Somewhere up there.
It's quite easy on
It's the observation thing.
And
It's
then,
up there somewhere.
exactly the same thing. You have a cable car that comes from up the cliff and arrives to the Grey Station.
Wow.
It's called the Teleférico do Rancho. And here,
Look at all the terrace things up
yeah,
on top there. Wow. Well, we're coming back into the docks here now. Our excursion is over. Worked out pretty good. There's a guy up on his mast over there, climbing up, fixing something. Nice and quiet. We got tranquil waters here for tranquil people.
welcome back.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the trip with us today.
It was
well,
awesome.
No whales for today, only the dolphins. Sometimes, as I told you, it's one species, two species, three. We never know what we're going to find. When we deal with wildlife, it's always like this. We are out of control, and I think that's the beauty of it too. Big thanks to the spotters. We don't really talk about them, but they are the main character in this company. If they were not there, we couldn't see anything. Well, it will be a little bit more complicated. Big thanks to our skipper Pedro. He did a great job today.
Yes.
And thank you.
Hey, Pedro.
And a special thanks to you for choosing to see the animals in wildlife first. It's really important for us. Thank you a lot. And choosing our company to do this activity too.